Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for your next cozy go-to blanket for snuggling up or keeping warm on chilly nights or mornings, then you have to check out this absolutely beautiful alpaca wool blanket from Davlina. Now, you may be thinking, wool, isn't that going to be heavy and itchy? And let me assure you that although this blanket is lightweight, it is so soft. I've never had an alpaca blanket before, so I didn't know what to expect, but I'm absolutely over the moon with how soft and luxurious this is. This is a high quality, fine weave blanket, and it's an absolute delight to have it touch your skin. I have a tendency to get overheated pretty quickly, and this has really nice temperature regulation, so I haven't felt like that at all while I've been using it. I got the queen-sized green-gray vari-colored blanket. This is not an oversized queen size, it's standard size, and these colors are so beautiful. They're on the subdued side and having the teal, pink, and different variations of green and brown, and it's just so lovely. And Davina has lots of other colors and styles to choose from, so you're sure to find the one that is perfect for your aesthetic. I've noticed that with use, you will get some kind of tufts on top of the fabric. This is totally normal, and I think it just adds to the fluffiness and the comfort of the blanket. It has no smell, and I've had no sensitivity to it at all, which is really amazing because that means I can use it all the time on my bare skin. I'm so delighted with this blanket. I want one in every color, and it would make a perfect gift for someone, something that they would absolutely love and treasure. And that's my point of view.